The bad one. There's the bad one.
Yeah, but look. Yeah, but it's bad one, huh?
Yeah, get the new one.
This like, is this good?
It's not that really ripe, but it's still okay.
Look at this, how big they are.
Yeah. Can you? No?
It's easier to pluck an apple, definitely. Guys, I fulfilled my dream here in Malaysia. I fulfilled one of my dreams here in Malaysia, and you will not believe it. Because it's such a, probably for some of you, is like such a random, banal, I think it's a word, or unimportant thing, so random. But that was to be able to pluck a coconut from a coconut tree, believe it or not. And I mean, that was actually not even the dream. The dream was to just be able to, I don't know, touch the coconut on a coconut tree, but or like to pluck it. Anyways, I did this in Malaysia, and it's crazy. They have so first of all, I did not know this thing. The coconuts on the tree, the coconut trees on the not on the tree, the coconut trees that are on the beach, or the coconuts on the trees, the coconuts on the coconut trees that are on the beach, they're high up and seemingly unreachable, or unreachable for someone like me, you know, a European who's unskilled in climbing a coconut tree, right? But the coconut trees on the land, they actually have their fruits way lower, so you can actually just reach them with a hand and pluck them and take them. So I did not know that. And when I was at this second wedding in this village close to Kuala Lumpur, I saw a lot of coconuts on the street. And if you're an experienced traveler, you've been to Southeast Asia so many times for many years, or if you are from Southeast Asia or from Malaysia, obviously you'll think like, what? This is crazy. What's the big deal? It is a huge deal, you know, for someone from Europe who grew up seeing one or two coconuts in the supermarket, like, I don't know, once every 2 years or whatever. Like, you know, the first of all, when I arrived in Southeast Asia, I didn't even know that the coconut looks like this. To be honest, I did not know. And I drink coconut water before, but for some reason I did not recognize it, because I always thought like a coconut looks like. And by the way, I've been in Vanuatu when I was 17, but yeah, for some reason I did not remember, and also because of this thing, you know, I did not know these were coconuts. But the coconut, the way I knew it when I was younger and when I was a child, was the brown hairy coconut. And I think that's how coconut looks when it's already when it's, I don't know how do you say this in English, but it's like very, it's not fresh, you know, it's already been on the tree for a long time. And it doesn't, many times maybe it doesn't even have juice inside, you know. But yeah, growing up with that, and like even then, like I would not even get them because they were very expensive. And yeah, maybe other people, I mean, definitely other people could afford it, but I'm not coming from a rich family. And so I would just look at them, you know, in the supermarket and touch them and think like, oh wow, this is a coconut. Coconut, wow, coconut. And at that time, didn't even have internet. But anyways, now being able to see so many coconut trees and being able to actually reach them with my hand and pluck them, it was insane. And I actually asked the person that I was with, like, why don't people take them? Like, it's not allowed or something, or what is it? Because it was many coconut trees in front of houses. And they were like, no, the people are just, yeah, it's so normal. Like, they don't care. Because for me, it doesn't make sense. I would take them, cut them, and drink the juice instead of water. But yeah, to them, it's nothing. It's just like, I'm sure it's just like apples to them. You know, my country, we have a lot of apples, and in fact, a lot of apple trees, and they fall down and nobody cares, unfortunately. But it's like that with coconuts here, you know. And it was insane. But at the same time, I could see people selling coconuts, and like on the street, this coconut tree. And I'm asking the person, why? I mean, who would buy a coconut from here when there's so many on the tree? And it's like, yeah, some people are just lazy and they would buy it from there. I don't know. Maybe it's for foreigners like me that they would be lazy. I have no idea. For me, taking it from the tree enhances the experience. Now the problem is, like, I am here with the coconut and looking at it for the past 3 days. And that's all I do. I look at it because I cannot open it. And I ask actually someone if they have the, let me know how it's called, the knife that you use to cut coconut tree. I would like also to learn how to do it myself. And man, if I would be living in a village, I would be drinking coconut tree every day. Yeah. So yeah, I'm stuck with this here. I'm just looking at it, holding it in my hands, and just being, wow, this is a coconut. This is a coconut. It's crazy. I just wanted to share this story with you. This type of small experiences I really appreciate a lot. For some people, they seem small. Of course, for me, it's not small experience. I appreciate them a lot. And yeah, this is I wanted to share this with you in this video because it really made me happy to have the opportunity to go touch the coconut tree, touch its leaves, touch the fruits, and take one from the tree. It was amazing. And by the way, guys, it's not very easy to take it from the tree. It would be best to have a knife to cut this thing. It's not easy. You have to twist it. At least that's what I did. So that's that. Oh, and I want to say this. Shameless plug. This is what you can do when you work online. You know, either have a job, have an online business, or be a freelancer just as I am. You know, you can get to, you're not geographically limited by a job. You know, you don't need to make a lot of money. You just need to make enough. And you can travel to these places, have this type of beautiful experiences, going to a local wedding in a village in Malaysia, being able to pluck a coconut from a coconut tree and have all of these beautiful experiences. So that's what I do. I'm a freelance marketer. I do Facebook ads and Instagram ads for business owners. If you're interested, shoot me a message, shoot me an email, and let's talk and see if I can help. I'm offering coaching, one-on-one coaching. It's in fact a coaching program. It is paid. But if you're interested, let's just schedule a call. You don't have to pay anything for that. And let's talk. Maybe it is for you, maybe it's not. Anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. See you in the next one.